You will just have to kill me. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti.
We're just going through the process.
Kaya nga. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? To me now, the legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty. Have you read the documents? Or at least have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know.
Ilabas niyo ang Pangulong Marcos! Ilabas niyo! Yun ang pagtunan natin ng pansin. Huwag si Pangulong Duterte!
Pwede na.